Welcome everyone. We're going to look at the product and quotient rules, and we're going to separate this up in two separate lectures. So we're going to look at the product rule first. In the product rule, we're looking at this function right here. And the derivative of the product of two functions is the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So at the end of the section, we're going to have to show why this statement is true. So why the derivative of the rate of change is true for this product function. So you see they're multiplying it together. So differentiate this a function. H of x equals x squared plus 3 times x squared minus 3 to the 10th power. So let f of x equal x squared plus 3 and g of x equal x squared minus 3 to the 10th power. So using the product rule and the general rule of power, h prime to x, we get the following. So we're going to have to differentiate and do it based on this product rule. X squared plus 3, differentiate this, or the d over d to the x, we have this, plus this times this. So you see the differentiation occurred when we look at this. Now we have to solve this. And when we solve this and we drop these, we're going to be left with this. And we have to continue to solve this using the product rule. We need to make sure to remember the order of the terms in this formula because the minus sign is in the numerator, and that can make a difference. When it's in there, sorry about that, when it's in there, that's going to be important. So that's the product rule. Now let's look at the quotient rule. And the quotient rule is going to show us a couple different things. So let's differentiate y equals x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 3 over x. So the solution, let f of x equal x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 3, g of x equal x. So that's using the quotient rule. So again, let's differentiate this. And when we look at this, we're going to be facing x on both sides. We're going to multiply both sides. You'll notice that when you do this to the top and bottom, you're going to get x squared. We're going to multiply this throughout with the quotient rule, and we're going to get the following. After we multiply it soon, now let's simplify. We multiply the x throughout, and after we do that, we got to simplify all this. We get 3x squared minus 4 minus 3x squared to the negative second power. That is the product and quotient rule that we're going to be looking at.